Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can input the SIM card on OPPO A60. In order to do this, first we need to use the pin for the SIM tray in order to open the SIM tray, which can be found inside the box of the device. Now, I have mine pin over here. Now we need to rotate our device to the left side. Here we'll find the SIM tray, and we need to put the pin inside this hole. Once you are in, push it a little bit in order to slightly take it out, and then you need to use your hand or your fingers in order to fully take it out. And this is how it looks like. Over here we have the front. We can read that by reading over here at the bottom face to screen. On the left side here we have SIM1 and SIM2 slots. Now what we need to do is simply put the SIM card inside the first or second slot. It doesn't really matter which one you use, as long as you use one of them. It might be a little bit tough to put it in, as the tray is really loose and it's easy to drop the card. But if you manage to put it in, then you can put it, as you can see, it's really easy to drop, so we have to be careful with them, with the card. But once you do that, once you put it in, then we need to put the tray back in. There we go. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.